We had everything in paper,
which meant pieces of paper went missing. There was biosolids on it, there was sewage on it, there was water on it.
There was just paper left, right and centre, multiple people entering data.
And there was information that wasn't completed because people didn't see the value in it. I am Narelle D'Amico and I'm the branch manager of water services for the Bundaberg region, which encompasses rural areas as well as the area of Bundaberg.
I'm Sean Askew, mechanical engineer by trade. I'm now with water services here in Bundaberg. Being regional, there's a whole bunch of challenges.
We have the Burnett River catchment that flows into the coastal strip, which encompasses Monrepos, which is a turtle hatchery, which requires us to be considerate of both what we're taking from the environment, but also what we're returning back to the environment. To get this project off the ground, the horror story was putting in front of my IT manager a pile of paper that we dealt with every week.
We had all the field staff essentially came into the depot, received their paperwork packs, went out into the field, completed them, and then returned them to the depot. All of these paper packs were created by schedulers and administration staff, which was really a massive overhead.
We had no idea what was happening in the field until the conclusion of the paperwork coming back, which could be days later. From a customer's perspective, we were never able to keep them updated, and often they knew what had happened before we did.
The paper form came back. We'd then give it to an admin staff who would type the information in another system, and then it would get filed and the paper would all get stored in a box, and the box would get put in a room. If you ask someone what was the workflow, how did the process work, you get different answers from everyone. If we had to ask ourselves some questions like, where is this job? Who did it? What happened? Was there any safety incidents with it? Those questions are extremely difficult to find out. It was a real challenge to give us the ability to manage our assets on an operational level and not on a financial level.
Seeing our team engaged was the key indicator we were on the right path.
We are supported from IT and management.
The moment when I realised the project was going to be a success was when the phone stopped ringing in our main office building, because the work was being directly transferred from the contact centre, automated, through to our field operators.
The moment of relief that I felt was after 6 weeks, where we gave it to our field staff and they started using it, and everything happened. And when I arrived, no utes in the depot. People were out, everyone was out, and it almost felt a bit like business as usual, which was just shocking.